weather situations. Special field receivers can be automatically activated by the signal to warn of the impending hazard. Tests of the signal and receiver's performance are normally conducted by the National Weather Service between 11 a.m. and noon each Wednesday. If there is a threat of severe weather, the test will be postponed to the next available good weather day. Reception of this broadcast, and especially the warning alarm tone, will vary at any given location. This variability, normally more noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter, can occur even though you are using a good quality receiver in good working order. The warning alarm tone will be activated for hazardous watches and warnings for the following counties: Allen, Auglaize, Defiance, Hancock, Harding, Logan, Mercer, Paulding, Putnam, Shelby, Van Wert, and Wyandotte. This concludes the weekly test of weather radio station WXJ 93 Crydersville, Ohio. Service forecast for West Central Ohio. West of today, sunny. Highs in the upper 70s. Southwest winds 15 to 20 miles an hour with gusts up to 30 miles an hour. Tonight, clear. Lows in the upper 40s. Southwest winds 10 to 15 miles an hour. Thursday, mostly sunny. Highs in the upper 70s. Southwest winds around 10 miles an hour. Thursday night, mostly clear in the evening, then becoming partly cloudy. Lows in the lower 50s. South winds 5 to 10 miles an hour. Friday, partly cloudy. Highs in the upper 70s. Southeast winds around 5 miles an hour. Friday night, partly cloudy. Lows in the upper 50s. Saturday, partly cloudy. A chance of showers in the afternoon. Highs in the upper 70s. A chance of rain 30%. Saturday night, showers likely. Lows in the lower 50s. Chance of rain 60%. Sunday, partly cloudy in the morning, then becoming mostly cloudy. A 50% chance of showers. Breezy, cooler with highs around 60. Sunday night, partly cloudy. A chance of showers in the evening. Breezy with lows in the lower 40s. Chance of rain 40%. Monday, partly cloudy and breezy. Highs around 50. Monday night, partly cloudy and breezy. Lows in the upper 30s. Tuesday, partly cloudy. Highs in the mid-50s. Central weather. For the following counties, Ohio, the Auglaize, the Oregon, for the KBD 47 within the area of northwest Ohio. During potentially dangerous weather situations, specially field receivers are automatically activated to warn of the impending hazard. Tests of these receivers are normally conducted by the National Weather Service every Wednesday between 11 a.m. and noon. When there is a threat of or existing severe weather in the area, the test will be postponed until the following day. This ends the test of the National Weather Service weather radio warning alarm.